How to reset your fund password on Gate.io. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can reset your fund password on Gate.io. Now first things first, what you'll have to know is you won't get this option on your application, so you want to do it on the browser. You want to head over to your browser and search in Gate.io. You'll be headed to this page. Now once here you want to sign into your account. I'll just sign in real quick right here. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. At the top right corner, you should be able to find your profile icon. Now if you're doing it on the desktop as well, it's similar. So you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and here you can see now you'll get the option that says security settings. As you can see there, you want to tap on security settings. Under security settings, now what you want to do is, if you scroll down below, you can see you'll find the option that says password management, and there you'll see the option to change. As you can see, so what you want to do is you can see password management, and you can see password, your account password, and you can see fund password. You want to tap on change below the fund password option, and once you tap on change here, it'll ask you to enter in your old password, new password, and confirm your password. If you know your old password, then you can enter it and enter in the new password and confirm it and enter in your email code that will be sent to your email. However, if you want to reset it since you don't remember it, then you can tap on the forgot password option at the bottom left corner of your screen that you can see here, forgot password option. So you can tap on it and let it load up, and it'll ask you to enter in the email code. And once you get the email, what you can do is you can go ahead and enter it. So for it, first tap on send, and once you tap on send, you can see email has been sent. Then you want to let it load up, and once you get the code, you want to enter it here, tap on next, enter in the new password, and you are good to go. So this way you can reset your Gate.io fund password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.